What we're seeing right here is actually a mini fridge wrap. You can actually change the look of your mini fridge just by wrapping it. This is actually called the Green Drawer Mini Fridge Wrap. If you go to the rmwraps.com website, go under appliance wraps, go under mini fridge wraps, and you'll see this guy right here. It should be fine. You can find right there. This is actually printed on 3M air release vinyl. This is a matte sheen product right here. Every order is custom sized to fit. So when you place the order, there's a PDF file you can download. So we need the width, height of the door, and also how deep and how high it is on the body itself, not including the door. And another thing we do is we indicate the corners of the doors right there. Also the corners of the units. And on these right here, we crease it. So this is the edge of the unit. Also, we pre-cut the backing for you. It's called tacking on strip. It's like this one is one strip right here. And then on the doors is this side right here or this side right here. So when you're installing it, you remove this side or that side, and then you dry install it, and you bring it over and tack it on, and then you install it that way. We have how-to videos on the website, or on the website, but also YouTube. But we also do a Bonduro app, what's called a personal email video going to the customer once we get printed. Show this right here, and then down below it shows how to install it. Another thing we do is we actually use we give you a free squeegee, free knife, and a little tester vinyl to test out the vinyl, or the vinyl on the subject. And we're trying to make it as easy as possible for you guys to make an awesome looking mini fridge like this one is going to happen right here. We are based in Meridian, Idaho, so anytime we get a place an order in the morning time, we print it out, ship it out that day, if not the next day. So we're pretty quick at what we do, and that's what we print it out on right there. So again, if you want to have the change the look of your mini fridge, go to the rmwraps.com website. We also have door wraps and refrigerator wraps and a lot of fun, unique things on there. So definitely check out more stuff on the rmwraps.com website. If you ever want to get a hold of us, 208-696-1180, info@rmwraps.com. Devin or Randy will take any questions, comments, or concerns, and we will attack it. So other than that, again, thank you for the business, or for staying tuned on this one. Okay. Come back, check out more stuff, and you'll see me in the next video.